Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. How we do it, please, before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell and also notification bell on your phone, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. Hey baby girls, how you guys doing? So guys, I miss you. I miss chatting with you. I miss rubbing mine with you. Coming up to you with this kind of beautiful double cut crease eye makeup look ish. I'm into this look 247. You can tell me nothing of this old Zooey, making the most, doing the most, and which is my game. That's my vibe. All right. Anyway, exciting video. I'm going to be using a palette from one brand that I've never ever tried before, or I didn't plan to do this, but the baby girl, she said you need to give me a try. Is this beautiful palette right here from Douglas. I've never used their products because I'm not into their products, okay? Only go there to buy my skincare, period. But she just drew my attention. She got me shopping, and bear in mind, super duper affordable. Let's take a moment to appreciate the package. The package is everything. Palm Springs palettes, guys. This palette feels super rich, and like it doesn't feel that it's a very cheap palette. The packaging, guys, I'm living for it. So let me just show you how it looks like. I'm super impressed. I'm super impressed. €19.99 box. You can't go wrong. You can't complain. You can ask for more, period. It has super huge mirror. Check out the color. Check out the color. And the color is really, you know, carrying the name. Draw my attention to this palette. It was this beautiful shade right here, the one I use on my lid, which is called Pool Party. Super beautiful color to work with, super friendly, super blendable. Only critical I can say, okay, that is, I'm not going to come here and tell you shmeggy la. This palette has a huge fallout, but trust me, the pigment, you don't want to joke with it, baby. 99, no complaint, period, baby. You know, when the palette is playing along, mama is just on the top right there. I don't want to be too excited. When I'm too excited, the game isn't working the way I plan it to, but she just calm down. You know what I mean? She just calm down. And to intensify the look, I just had to grab my ABH Fairy Lights palette just to intense the look. This beautiful black shade right here. Where you go, chick? Where you go, chick? Okay, so that's all for this makeup intro. If you're interested, you want to see how I put this look together, okay, the whole face, everything is here. You already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll be glad to read your wonderful uplifting comment, period. Usually all the products I use are going to be listed down below. And yeah, without any further ado, you know how we do it. You know how I suck it. You know how I show you how you do it. Do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love is ciao. Mwah. Hey y'all, what's up? How you doing? So guys, right now we're just going to jump into the face bit. Face is already super moist. So guys, for the first primer, I'm going to be taking this Smashbox iconic primer stick. I have to use this primer once in a while, but I normally would need it on my T-zone, my nose only, right there, and a little bit on my brow bone, because it kind of keep my brow bone intact without they don't get oil. Okay, so why a so mattifying primer? So I'm just going to apply 2 pumps at the back of my hand, like that. The rest of my face, which is the place I did not apply the face, which is the other primer. So This feels super rich, super duper rich. Of course, I'm going to be spraying my face with the Too Faced. Let's shake it around. We still want to bring the glow. We still want the glow to stay on our face. I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Oil Control Setting Spray. Just a little bit. Yeah. It will not be too dry, not be too dewy. Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 6V1 Solid Wood. Okay. And I'm going to mix it with this Marc Jacobs foundation. Shameless in tan. Okay, Shameless. This one is super light. When I mean light, it's like water. This one is super full coverage and super thick. So firstly, I'm going to be applying a little bit of pump at the back of my hand. Shake this. Just see how this foundation, how weightless it is. Let me come closer. Please don't mess me up. You see how it's like a drop of water. L'Ouvia Prime Virgin brush, this one right here. This is what I'm going to use to apply my foundation. I'm going to take the back, just warm at the back of my hand so we can really get those two shades mixed properly together. To use the back to apply a dot on my face. Catrice beauty sponge. I just wet, that is why it looks a little bit larger. I'm just going to be using the other side. This one has a little bit of flat side. I'm not going to be using this side because this side is going to give me that seamless, flawless airbrush blended foundation ish situation. So let's do it. MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. Yeah, this brush is by Beautyartist. It has been a minute since I used. So for concealer, I'm going to be taking the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NW42 and NW45 eye. So I'm going to be using NW45. NW42 is going to brighten up the under eye. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be taking the Fentybeauty Profile Concealer in the shade 470. Chisel my face just like so, just like so. Do it. How we do it, baby girl. I'm just going to go straight ahead and blend under my eye. I'm going to be taking my Ride or Die beauty sponge by Dior. Of minutes. So while that is cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and blend my contour, and I'm using this brush by Makeup Factory. Slapping, snatching, boom. It's like magic, this brush right here. Oh my god. Once again, with my foundation brush, just to blend everything together, just dabbing around naturally. I mix it with the Huda Beauty Bakery setting powder and banana bread, and I also mix it together with the Sacha Buttercup. So that is always giving me extra booming on the eye setting powder. blender, just touch it a little bit and press it. Just press it, suck it in. When they just launch it, I bought a setting powder. When I use it to set under my eye, it's a mess. I think that is okay. I'm going to be taking my Fentybeauty bronzer face. You see that? You just see that. You see that? See the difference? Anyways, enough of the rumbling. Guys, to clean my eyebrow, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer. I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Prime Virgin brush in there. Just dab, okay. Eyeshadow base for the now. A little bit, because we are going to be blending. Before I go ahead and do my eyeshadow, I'm just going to quickly blush my cheeks. Taking this Kiko blush, and this one is called Gypsy Pink number 2. So I'm just going to be taking this MAC brush 116. I'm just going to blush my cheeks to the guts. Cute. Some Beauty blend the brush, and transition color, we are going to be starting from light to dark. I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Camel, this one right here. Okay, hold on, baby girl, she's falling out. She has a fallout. I'm off here. Oh my days, I'm super impressed. I'm shook. Like, blend, shook. This is wow. You see that too? Our crease is called tan. This shade right here. It's coming to our creases. Wow, this is beautiful. This is gone shiny fabric. More intense, more darker. I'm going to be taking this beautiful shade right here, and it's called Darker. This one right here. Guys, I must say, all this shade I've used so far, I've used 3 shades so far inside this palette. They are wow. I'm shook like to this ABH Fairy Lights palette. This is called Marvelous. This shade right here. I'm still going to make it more darker, but I just had to start very soft. In the shade called Tender, this one. Okay, yes. Got nothing on the brush. I'm just blending out the edges. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer in the shade Dark Natural. See the pigment? A lot. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Brush. I'm going to dip in my brush into this shade called Marvelous. I'm just going to intense my crease more. Smaller brush, I'm just going to blend that out very softly. You know how I do it. For my under eye, I'm going to be taking the shade called Darker. You know how we do it, baby girls. I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Thinking of which lashes is going to be perfect for this look. This Catrice lashes right here. When you have a matte eyeshadow, please do not spray your eye, just spray around from your nose to your chin, okay? So yeah, just watch me do it and make sure you look up and a little bit far away, just like so. So highlight, we're not too crazy anymore. I'm just going to dip in my brush like so, and a little bit on my inner corner, and a little bit on my chin as well. Right here, just like on my cheeks properly. Yes, with the transparent brow gel, I'm just going to set my brow so we don't forget. To be using 2 lip liner, you guys. Liner, I don't use any other lip liner often, even though I have another one, but these are my go. So I'm going to go in first with the Aveda. Guys, for my lip, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in Nude Trail. A little bit goes a long way because it has super full coverage. I'm going to apply a little bit of Judith Williams lip gloss. This one is in 461. To get there, but she had to adapt. She need to submit to mama. It is not coming out properly the way it's supposed to. Just excuse me, every day is not the same, you know what I mean? So boom, I'm going to be right back, come with a finished look. Just stick around.